What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Investors Domain channel. And in this video, we're going to be looking at the simplest 5-minute strategy that you've probably ever seen. I thought it was insane when I backtested it. So we're going to take a deep dive into that, give you that strategy, and use it as another way to be able to, stay consistent and profitable in Forex. So just before we get into that, if you like this kind of content, strategies in the markets, anything else that Investors Domain is bringing to you that you want to know about, then please like, subscribe, comment below, and also hit that bell underneath this video to make sure that you never miss a video from us ever again. Just a quick one as well here. If you guys want to join the free Discord group, that's right here, the Day Trading Club, which is the Investors Domain free Discord group where you can come in, you can chat with the community, you can talk with Master Trader, FX Dave, right? And also, you could check out, how the signals do with the post profits, the past trades, all this good stuff, completely free, not a single charge for this Discord community whatsoever. And there's also information on the signals and the best broker that we use here at Investors Domain, and also the VIP Telegram signals group. There's information, links, both of these things below. Obviously, you can see here where, buying US 30 at a certain price with the TP1, 2, and 3, mental stop loss, etc. NAS 100 is put out here, so signals every single morning and some Forex pairs in the evening, and then you can see how they go, TP1, TP2, TP3. That is also information link below this video for you to check out and join should you wish. So let's get into it. So in this video right here, like I said, we're going to be looking at this 5-minute strategy. I'm on the 5-minute time frame on US 30 right now, right? Just so that you guys know exactly what I'm looking at. So basically, it doesn't matter what direction that the charts are going in. This usually works out pretty well, especially when there's good volume in New York, I'd say, to where you could actually just scalp some quick profits, right? So let's just really zoom in here and just get really granular. Like I say, each candlestick here represents 5 minutes, okay? This is a perfect example of this 5-minute strategy. And what this is called is that it's an engulfing candle. So what does that mean? Well, if you take this itty-bitty candle right here, right, this green bull candle right here, okay? Get that a little bit better. Oh, gonna grab, there we go. That'll do. This candle right here, this green candle, this huge bear candle, this red candle engulfed this completely. It also engulfed a few more of these over here, which is a cool sign. This gives you an immediate signal to take a trade as soon as this candle closes. This is on the 5-minute. You could probably do this on the 1-minute too. Higher time frames are usually more powerful, right? So look, literally, if you put a short position, as soon as this candle closed, put your stop loss above the candle, above the previous, or the body of this candle, whatever you feel comfortable with, right? See what happened right away? It had a pullback, which with such a large candle, you can always expect a pullback. And if you're the type of person who wants to wait for that pullback, this wick going up, this candle, sure, wait for that, enter there, you get even more profit. But either way, if you wait for candle close, you get in, profit, bang, that's one. Okay, so what happens, let me just put this here a second. So that's one win right there. Now, check this out. Even though we have one in a sell direction, a bear direction, right? Now, look at this. Like, this doji candle right here got engulfed fully. This body of this bull candle engulfed the body of this doji on this bear candle. So that tells me, again, that's a good place for an entry. So you could do the same thing, right? Enter as soon as it closes because it's engulfed this full, tiny body, this nice fat bull body, right? You could put your stop loss there. You could scalp that bit of profit there. You could scalp it up there. You could scalp it up there. I mean, that overall, right? Easy profit, straight up. So, and it works again. Check this out. This green candle over here got engulfed by this, right? You wouldn't have got in on this candle. You would have got in on this one. Now, check this out. This is what happened on this one. But you see how often this happens, right? If you put your stop either above that wick or above the candle body, right? So still, this one, teeny tiny profit. Still worked out though. So you got in on this candle. It wanted to go and reject. And again, if you waited for the pullback, you would have done great. But it went up and then it came down and then it went up and then came down, right? And then it went up when it went up. And even if actually, if you held this, then you would have ended up getting some crazy good profit right there, right? So you might get some messing around, or you might just. But the thing is, you're taking quick profits on these wicks as soon as a candle engulfs on the 5 minute a previous opposite color candle. You got a really high chance, a really high probability of winning that trade, right? Let's just move this over for a second here and just check this out, right? So right here, look what's happening. Sometimes you have to get in, like, super close on this. Because look, you can also put this line right here. Now, see how this bull candle engulfed this bear candle, like just by a few pips, right? It did happen. What happened after that? Well, it went straight into profit. You see what I'm saying? So, like, take that strategy where it doesn't matter which way the chart is going in terms of direction. You are catching each and every, like, granular pullback back and forth with profits right there. Awesome strategy, right? If you can see where these 5 minute candles engulf each other. The same thing happened here. The moment that so you took that one on profit, right? Let me just get that line off. Same thing happened here. Once these candles together, you can use both at the same time, like I'm saying, engulfed this bull candle right here. Well, that was another great entry. Stop loss above that candle. You could put it up here for more safety. Whatever you're comfortable with. Risk whatever you want, right? Whatever you feel fit for you. And that was a really awesome trade, like almost a 1-2 on that one. And then, if you took some part of the trade off, left a runner at break even, right? Which is a risk-free trade, and you held that puppy, well, it gets pretty awesome, right? So, like, really silly, simple strategy. But the cool thing is that the simpler your strategy, the more consistent you're most likely to be, right? This is the thing as well, like, about trading, is just if you try to overcomplicate things, right? Try to look at the chart in like all these. Let me look at all these different ways to look at the chart. Let me make sure every granular thing. All of these, like, smart money concepts and all that. It's like me going to, like, and making like a recipe that I've already got with the simple ingredients in front of me. To just create, like, this, just like some pepperoni mozzarella chips. And all I need is like mozzarella and then a little bit of cheddar and some pepperoni. And I just put those in the baking tray in the little potholes, and I just fill that in with a little bit, just sprinkle it on bit by bit, put it in the oven for 7 minutes, and it's done. Now, instead, it's like me going to do that. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to complicate this and add all these other ingredients that don't make sense to where my dish does not come out at all like the way that I wanted it. And then I just fail that dish, and because I've just put a million different ingredients into that recipe that was never there on the page, right? So try and keep trading simple, because as you can see, there's so many opportunities with this particular strategy alone, let alone any of the others that we've looked at, right? Keep it straight, keep it simple, and then, you'll never go broke taking profits. That's the point. So if you've loved this video, like I say, please like, subscribe, leave a comment for us below. Check out the links below this video as well to be able to check out the broker that we use that works with the Telegram VIP signals you can check out, and also join our free Discord where we can all get together, have a chat, work with Dave, and get some good trading going. So appreciate you all. And just remember, like I said, no one goes broke taking profits.